Hi everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm gonna guide you on what is TikTok creativity program. It is basically a program that allows a user or TikTok creators to make some money through their views and likes. So to see that, go ahead and open a TikTok. Now go ahead and tap on the profile which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now in here you can see the menu bar on the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here in the monetization section we can see subscription and live gifts. Tap on subscription. So here what we have to do is to get paid we should at least have 1000 followers and to have the live access. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on OK, and once it's done the star option will get started. And yeah guys, this is what TikTok creativity program is. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.